Beautiful. Ah. So, Le Bruda. Wow. Here is the personification of the Lord, the Almighty. These living creatures. Wow. So, welcome to India. Wow. So, Om Shri Krishnaya Namah. Welcome to India. Cave Yogi Vinodanand, solar powered humans. Wow. By the way, ours is a group of ascetics, monks, Himalayan yogis, those normally live in anonymity. They never demonstrate or their powers or so. Here is a message. Meet these innocent creatures. Yeah, it's a temple. And see how we are feeding them. In India, how we love these animals, innocent creatures. So this is the way to the Lord. The way to perfect yourself, especially in yoga. To master your pranas, pranapan saman udhan vyan. No mere talks, no flowery speeches. Here I take you to Gita. Lord Krishna in Gita, turn over the pages of Gita and try to find out. Lord Krishna says, I confer the yoga of wisdom to my devotees. And wisdom is, now I would like to define what wisdom is. The wisdom is the knowledge of this whole planet, including 84 lakhs of species, this body, and the knower of this body. In Gita, we call it Kshetra and Kshetrajna. Now, the knowledge of the whole universe come like a ball in your hand. This is yoga. This is a litmus test paper. From India, I give this message to all the masters, preachers even. Let's self-unfold ourselves. Let's self-introspect ourselves. Have we got the knowledge of this body? Forget about liberation, moksha, God. Let's not get hypnotized by others and ourselves. Today, if I want to lead lakhs of people, I have to introspect whether I've got the knowledge of the anatomy at least. If I don't have reached the stage where I have the knowledge of the anatomy of my body, the whole species, the whole world, all the sciences. So, my country, India, is known as the master of the world. And here goes the message to the preachers, to the teachers. Let's help the young generation. The brain drain is going on. Our young generation, show them. If you are one with the gods, the knowledge is the first basic step. And you cannot differentiate between, you cannot say that atomic energy, the science, the medical sciences, any science is other than God. If you are teaching people, if you are leading people for salvation, don't let them get hypnotized merely by the knowledge first. Let's help our Indian generation, young generation, in how to, technology, being the guru of yoga and knowledge. We are being Boeing before other nations to get F-16. So we are known as the descendants of the Rishi Munis, the knowledge, the Saraswati. So this is the first step we have to share with our young generation, not to hypnotize them or to ourselves. Where is the knowledge? And it comes with the serving the first step, no violence, non-violence India. And two, the masters, those who are leading, it's my humble request, they are part and parcel of the God, but don't miss the knowledge. You cannot skip knowledge. Simply saying this is Sukshma body, this is subtle body, Karan Sharira, and like this, and directly just talking of the Lord. No. Let's self-unfold ourselves. Let's not hypnotize others and ourselves in the name of the liberation. Again here is India. You see this temple, where the first step is to serve the living and the non-living. So let's awaken ourselves and the young generation, share them the truth, where the knowledge is, why we are running after the other nations just for begging technology. Where is that? This is the meditation. This is the science. Thanks for watching. Yeah. See my animals, lovely animals. Wow. Thanks for watching.